Okay, what I'm going to do here is make my template because I misplaced the one that came with the kit. And all you have to do is trace around the edges of the part that's going to go inside the wall. This part here, which is this part here of the conduit. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to cut out our template, and you can kind of take your time with this. It doesn't have to be real perfect, but you do want your borders to be nice and straight, and you don't want them bigger than they have to be because this is what you're going to cut out in the wall. You want it to be the exact same size so it can be a nice fit. The next thing you're going to want to do is remove the old doorbell. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and trace our template onto the wall. Keep in mind, try to keep it as straight as possible and make sure you got it in the position that you want the doorbell to be at. This right here is about where I want mine to go, and let's remove the doorbell. Okay, now what I did here was attach a wire to my doorbell wires so I don't have to worry about them falling back into the wall, and if they do, I have some way to pull them out. If you're happy with the position, go ahead and cut your hole out. You have to excuse me for the shaky camera. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but let's go ahead and give it a dry fit and see how this fits into our hole we just cut. Make sure your wires don't fall through. And perfect. All right, let's go. Okay, next what we're going to do is use what they call some fish tape. And what this is for is so we can fish our wire out of the wall. And how we're going to do that is we're going to stick it from the bottom of the floor up to the top and pull our wire through down to the bottom. And I'll show you here. Okay, I'm going to stick it right here where I want it, and I'm going to push it up to the top, and then I'm going to go upstairs and I'm going to pull the fish tape out of the hole we just cut and attach my Ethernet cord to it, and I'll be back down here. Alright, once your fishing tape is up here at the top, go ahead and locate the end of it. Locate the end of it, and let's get our Ethernet cord cable attached to it and pull her down. Let's get them pulled down. Alright, go ahead and get your cable pulled all the way through. Don't yank it, don't force it, just take your time on pulling it through. I hear mine's coming up here in a second. And it should be coming out like right about now. And there it is. Now let's go back to the top end, connect the doorbell and install it. And we're going to come back down here and put it in an existing hole that I have, or I can drill another hole. Alright, let's go ahead and connect our Ethernet cable and our doorbell wires. You don't have to necessarily connect the doorbell wires, but you need the Ethernet cable because this is what gives it power. Let's get her all screwed in, nice and tight. And again, I apologize for the shaky camera. I'm trying to do this with one hand, and my camera buddy's not here to hold the camera for me, so it's a one-hand band. With mine, I just used an old hole from a cable TV cable. It's real easy. It's just in and then out and then up into your router, and that's it. All right, and once you have everything connected, I didn't show you how to connect this because it's pretty self-explanatory. I just went through the installation process. It's just in and out and power on and hook it up to your router or your modem, whatever you're probably using for your cable in the house. I mean, your internet. Anyway, it's time to go test our Ring doorbell. All right, folks, there you have it. The Ring doorbell live effect, and it's working great. I advise you to go get one. Thanks for watching.